Today, we're unlocking the hidden secrets of millionaires, revealing how you can multiply your finances overnight. It all begins with the right mindset. Millionaires think differently. They embrace challenges, see opportunities where others see obstacles, and continuously educate themselves. We've delved into the success stories of self-made millionaires. From humble beginnings to incredible fortunes, their journeys hold invaluable lessons for us all. Strategic investments are the cornerstone of millionaire wealth. Discover the types of investments that have the potential to skyrocket your finances overnight. Passive income is the secret weapon of millionaires. Learn how to set up streams of income that work for you, even while you sleep. Financial education is the key that unlocks the door to wealth. We'll guide you through essential concepts and resources to elevate your financial IQ. But wait, we've got exclusive insights from financial experts who've cracked the code. Their advice will propel you towards financial success. It's time for action. We'll outline simple, actionable steps you can take right now to kickstart your journey towards financial multiplication. There you have it, the hidden secrets of millionaires. Are you ready to transform your financial destiny? Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let's embark on this journey together.